Yo man, it's your man Mighty More Than Rico, and you are now watching MMR's Rap House News. MMR's Rap House News. What's up, everybody, man? I'm so sorry I'm late, man. Today was just a day that was just not like every other day. But as you guys been taking notice, I'm trying to make this, if not a daily thing, a weekly thing. Got some hot topics to talk about today. All right, first on the list was Lil Yachty. I guess TMZ got some footage of Lil Yachty. He recently got into a fight at an event somewhere that he was at. Jay-Z and Kanye West, they finally settled their little beef over title music. So now Jay-Z and Kanye West are finally good. They no longer have beef anymore. Mariah Carey's Christmas song that she's been singing for the last 25 years that you guys hear over and over again on the Christmas spins on the radio makes millions and millions of dollars. Like it went #1 just recently. Jadakiss is willing to put up hundreds of thousands of dollars to battle Eminem. I mean, some of us might know that from before, but those of you who don't know, Montana 300 is willing to put up the money for Jadakiss to go at Eminem. Very, very, very interesting. And Madonna is on a cover of the New York Post with her new 25-year-old boyfriend. So if you guys see that on the internet, man, go check that out. I think that's it for this little edition of MMR's Rap House News, and I will be back with some more news. Stay tuned. It's your host, Mighty More Than Rico.